Gemini has released its newest model called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview. And this is set to be their top rated highest quality image generation model. And it also allows you to generate text and images. So in today's video, we'll be testing the output quality. We're going to use this custom prompt which tells the AI to generate high quality SEO content with images. If you'd like to use this prompt, it will be in the description below today's video. And the topic is going to be how to become a licensed mortgage agent in Canada. So we're just going to go ahead and run this. We're going to keep the settings as it is. And what I really like about it is that it's pretty fast. So as you can see, first it's going to go ahead and create our images, right? And now it's going to go ahead and create the full article. So again, pretty fast. We have our first image here. We can go ahead and take a look at this. Your guide to becoming a licensed mortgage agent in Canada. Not bad, not the greatest image, but not bad for, one-shot prompt. Your guide to becoming a licensed mortgage agent in Canada, key takeaways. What exactly does a mortgage agent do? We get another image here. And overall, the text on the images look good. So I'm pretty impressed by this already because of one, how fast it is. And two, we're not getting too many distortions in the images. Now, is this the most beautiful image I've seen? Definitely not. There's a lot of white space. Number 4 looks like it's kind of out of place. Number 2 as well. So the actual formatting is a little bit out of place. But again, overall, not bad for one-shot prompting. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this image here. So number 1, meet eligibility, complete education, pass exam, maintain license. Okay, so again, not bad. 1, 2. A little bit of distortion there, but again, not bad. So again, just going through the full article. Here's the third image. And we have the fourth image here. They all kind of look the same. We also get a nice table here. The full article is completed. Let's just go ahead and read through the introduction. So are you fascinated by the real estate market and passionate about helping people achieve their home ownership dreams? Becoming a licensed mortgage agent in Canada may be the perfect career path for you. We get the key takeaways. What exactly does a mortgage agent do? Why choose a career? How to become a mortgage agent? So step by step. Step 1, meet the basic eligibility, maintain your license, so on and so forth. So overall, a very, very decent article. What I liked was the ease of use, how easy it was to generate the content. But it is kind of hard to copy over all of the content because each one of these sections is like its own individual section. And again, the images are okay, but they definitely could be better. So I wanted to go ahead and do a fun test with Gemini's new update and WordRocket to see which tool generated the better content with images. So here is the content that we got back from WordRocket. How to become a licensed mortgage agent in Canada. This is the cover image. In my opinion, I think that this looks a little bit better than the cover image that we got back from Gemini. For the introduction, I feel as though the introduction from WordRocket was a little bit more engaging. Picture this, you're helping a young family secure their first home, guiding them through one of the most important decisions of their lives. Key takeaways, understanding the mortgage agent professional landscape. And here's another image about the provincial licensing requirements across Canada. So we can see here that everything looks well. There's no issues with the distortion. It's just that this image is kind of duplicated, which I don't really like. But overall, this is a solid image, I would say. Let's scroll down. We get some actual pull quotes as well, which looks really good. List and tables, licensed mortgage agent. And we get a regulatory compliance and professional standards image based upon the provinces in Canada. So again, I think that this looks really, really good because it's very unique and very relevant to the actual article itself. And then lastly, we get the market trends and future outlook. So overall, I think that both tools did a good job. If I have to choose one, I would definitely go with WordRocket. I think even overall, the content itself, because again, we're combining different models. We're using Sonnet 4 to write the content, which I think is the best AI when it comes to writing. And we're using ChatGPT to generate the images. So you're getting the best of both worlds. But again, not very bad for a tool which you can generate images and text in one shot. I would definitely go ahead and give it a try. And we may even add some elements of this new model into WordRocket. So just wanted to do a quick overview of the new model from Gemini. If you guys want to check it out, just head over to aistudio.google.com. If you like to use WordRocket for completely free and try it out for yourselves, just head over to app.wordrocket.ai. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.